Hello and welcome to Carnahan High School of the Future Virtual Open House. I am Principal Jonathan Griffin, and at Carnahan, we truly believe in family first. We're here to support the development of the whole child. Our staff is dedicated to the spirit of excellence in everything that we do. We are prepared and excited to help your child excel and grow as a person. Please make sure you are present virtually to learn more about us and the great things we're doing here at Carnahan. Thank you for entrusting your child to attend Carnahan High School of the Future.
Hello, Carnahan families. My name is Cicely Gordon, and I am excited to serve as your new assistant principal. I know that these are trying times, but I ask that you stay focused, stay engaged in learning, and know that it is okay to raise your hand on the screen to ask for help. We are all here to support you. If you need to reach me, please check the webpage for my email address. I cannot wait to meet you all in person. Until then, remember that attitude is everything, so think positive and stay safe.
Hi, my name is Cheryl Barger, and I'm a proud special education teacher for Carnahan High School of the Future. I not only am an educator by career, but education is my true passion. I am here to support you and your student in their adventure in education this year and take pride in everything they do and as well as the work that they do to succeed in the future.
Giuliano Barlow, the building substitute, first year here at Carnahan. Excited to get the school year started, excited to meet you guys all. Let's have a good year.
Hello, everyone. My name is Mr. Bierman. I teach world history, personal finance, and psychology, and I'm looking forward to having a great year. Go Cougars.
Hello, my name is Audrey Black. I am the 9th, 10th grade counselor at Carnahan High School of the Future. Want to say welcome back to all of our Carnahan families, and I'm here to serve you.
Hi, I'm Kevin Boone. I am a building substitute teacher here at Carnahan High School. I am elated to be a part of the staff here at this fine high school, and I am looking forward to the learning process of our young students here. Hopefully, we can build on a foundation of strong virtual instruction, and we can steer our students in a positive direction that will reflect the hard work that we've always shown here at this institution of fine learning.
Hi, my name is Dr. Clay, and I am the 11th and 12th grade counselor here at Carnahan High School of the Future. Please feel free to reach out to me at any time. My motto is, it takes a village to raise a child. And thank you for allowing me to be a part of your child's village.
Hello, this is Mr. Colonius. I am teaching Algebra 2, where I'm getting the pleasure to work with most of the sophomores and also coming in to help out in some of the Algebra 1 classes to support our freshmen. This is my first year at Carnahan, and I'm excited to get to know everyone.
Hi, everybody. I'm Miss Connolly. I am the visual art teacher at Carnahan. This is my 4th year, and I love seeing all the creative paintings, drawings, and everything that your students are capable of. Go Carnahan. Let's have a great year.
Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Wanda Davis. I am excited to have you in my class this year. I have been teaching high school grades 10 through 12 over the last 18 years, and now am enthusiastic about adding some of the new 9th grade students to my class roster. My 2020 course curriculum is Career Development, PLTW Computer Science Principles Applications, Principles, Computer Science A, Microsoft Certification 1, 2, 3, and 4. I am happy to have you in my class this year. See you soon.
Hello, everybody. This is Miss Dowling. I am the chemistry teacher at Carnahan, which is mostly a sophomore class. And then I also teach the freshmen and the juniors in the PLTW Biomedical Science pathway. After a couple days of virtual learning, I've had a lot of fun, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the year.
I'm Abby Eisenberg. I'm the junior English teacher, and I also teach creative writing and journalism. This is my third year at Carnahan and my third year teaching, and I'm really happy to be here because I truly believe that our students are the best in the world.
My name is David Eldridge. I'm the PE teacher and health teacher here at Carnahan High School. I'm looking forward to our virtual learning and learning to how to do our virtual learning. Thank you.
All right, this is one of our exceptional math teachers, Mr. Anthony Fields. He currently teaches ninth grade, Algebra 150. So he looks forward to working with your child. And if you have more information you would like to share with him, please reach out on our school website.
Hi, everybody. I'm Ms. Franks. I'm a special education teacher here at Carnahan School of the Future. I look forward to working with you all this year, and I'm very excited about this school year. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tanya Greenlee. I am one of the math teachers here at Carnahan. I currently teach Algebra 1, Geometry, and EOC Review. I would like to welcome everyone to the Carnahan family, welcome everyone back for returning students, and I can't wait to see everybody.
All right, this is our wonderful social worker, Ms. Haptu. If you need any assistance with special services for your child or things that you may have going on at home, please reach out to Mrs. Haptu. This is our head football coach, Darren Hale. He has been with Carnahan for over 10 years. He also assists in the building with day-to-day operations. If your child is interested in playing football, please reach out to Coach Hale.
Hello, I'm Mr. Hardcastle, and I teach all music classes at Carnahan High School of the Future. We offer band classes, guitar classes, and career development and music theory. I'm excited to make music with the students of Carnahan this year. Go Cougars!
Hi, my name is Elizabeth Hess, and this is my second year at Carnahan High School. I teach physics and 2 PLTW classes, which are Human Body Systems and Biomedical Innovations. I'd like to welcome back the returning Cougars, and to all the freshmen, welcome to our Carnahan family.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Horn. This is my 21st year teaching and 5th year at Carnahan High School of the Future. I teach English 1 and English 1 double dose. I look forward to this school year and getting to know all of you. Welcome.
This is Ms. Barbara Jackson, our Behavior Management Center instructor. She assists with the students when they're having to be removed from the classroom, but she also uses trauma awareness to address the kids. We work very hard to make sure we're assisting the students when they're in need.
Hi, parents. My name is Isid Joran. I'm from Cuba. I speak Spanish. And my responsibility here at Carnahan is to teach your students, your kids, word language Spanish 1, 2, 3, and 4. And for me, it is the best opportunity to spark and inspire your kids into a socio-cultural bilingual experience. You can reach out to me to my email, and my main information is on the teacher webpage. Thank you for having me here.
Hello, my name is Andrew Kahn, and I am going to be teaching exceptional student services. This is my first year here at Carnahan, and I'm looking forward to this wonderful opportunity with a great group of kids and a great staff. And I can also be reached on my website and for anything else. Thank you.
Hi, Carnahan family. My name is Christina Kincaid, and I teach American Government and Street Law. This is my third year with Carnahan, and I'm so excited for this new and very different year to start.
Hi, my name is Dr. Hope Lewis, and I'd like to welcome the students and the families to the new school year. I am a special education teacher, and I want everything to be positive, and see you guys online.
Dr. Martin's here. I teach ELA, language arts. I have all the sophomores, or almost all the sophomores. I have a junior AP class and a senior AP class. Going into my third year here at Carnahan. I think I'm 20 years in on the whole deal. I've been in this city for 15. I love teaching. I'm struggling a little with the inability to see students in person, but really loving the last few days of finally getting to see some faces on the screen.
Hey guys, it's Massey. I am the student affairs manager. My responsibilities are building climate and discipline. Also, I'm the senior sponsor. One thing I'm looking forward to is seeing the growth that you guys had over this extended summer break. Hope you guys see the growth in myself as well.
My name is Shania McGregory. I am the college advisor here at Carnahan High School. I will be helping students apply for college, apply for scholarships, helping them through FAFSA, and just basically getting them to the next goal in life is making sure they get into the right university and study the right stuff.
My name is Ruan McKinney, and I'm one of the teachers here at Carnahan High School of the Future. Thank you for sharing your child with me this year. This year is new for everyone, so I stress the importance of being open-minded, patient, and flexible. See you soon.
Hello, everyone. It's Miss Mack. This is my 18th year at Carnahan. I am the new family and community specialist. I am looking forward for the kids to come back. I'm excited. Want to see the kids. I miss the kids because they give me that energy. And just want everyone to be safe and healthy. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kelly Malderig, and this is my 4th year teaching and my 2nd year teaching at Carnahan, which I absolutely love because your kids are amazing. I teach the honor section of freshman literature, senior English, media literacy, and poetry. I am a huge fan of the senior class because I teach most of them, so I am so excited to see the class of 2021 have their last and best year at Carnahan.
Well, hey, welcome from your Nurse Nevels. Welcome to a dynamic 2021 school year. Listen, I hope you all are safe or being safe. You're washing your hands and social distancing until we're all together again. Again, be safe, Carnahan Cougars and family. Take care.
Hello, my name is Porrick O'Donnell. I'm the academic instructional coach here. I just want to say welcome to our Carnahan virtual open house. Hello, parents and students. Welcome to the Carnahan family if you're a freshman or if you're a transfer. We like to call it a family because we like to take care of each other here. And the big part of my job as the instructional coach is to coach the teachers, very similar to like how basketball or football coaches work. They want to get the best out of their players and they want to provide them with strategies and pointers along the way. And that's what I do to support and enhance the student learning by coaching the teachers here. I want to say that we have a fantastic faculty here. The teachers are very invested in all of the students. They have high expectations of each one of them. And that is something that our faculty really adheres to. I just want to let you know, I'm kind of behind the scenes often. I'm not in front like the teachers are, but I'm working my best to support the students by supporting the teachers. And if you want to reach out to contact me, you can do that through my webpage. And my email address is listed there. It's just my first and last name at slps.org. And if you have any need for support around academics or curriculum, then I would be the person to contact. Again, welcome to the Carnahan family. We are glad to have each of you here. Thank you.
Hi, everybody. I'm Kevin Pulley, and I teach in the media department here at Carnahan. I teach the senior internship class, advanced TV and radio. I teach intro to media, and I also have the freshman career and development class. Welcome to Carnahan High School of the Future.
Hello, everybody. My name is Mr. Smith. This is my 9th year at Carnahan High School. I'm the Special Education Department Chair and Creative Writing Instructor. I'm excited to be a part of the Cougar team and looking forward to serving you to the fullest.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sumner, and I'm one of the social studies teachers here at Carnahan, and this is my 13th year. I want to thank you for entrusting us with your child's education. We are so happy to have your family as a part of our Carnahan family. If you ever have any concerns or questions, feel free to contact me.
This is Miss Dornice Sykes. served in her first year as secretary. Last year, she served as our family community specialist. She would be the main person that you will be in contact with when you call the school. Please reach out to her if you have any questions. This is Miss Alicia Thomas. Last year, served as our secretary, has now moved into the new position of book clerk treasurer. If you need any assistance with books, assistance with any other operations regarding the school accounts, please reach out to Miss Thomas.
Hello, my name is Mr. Wiley. I am a math teacher here at Carnahan. I teach geometry and probability and statistics. It's my second year teaching, but first year at Carnahan. I'm super excited to start virtual learning with you all.
How you doing? This is Coach Wright, the head boys basketball coach here at Carnahan High School. It's going on my third year here. I'm excited to work with the group of young men and women here at Carnahan to just help give them life experience that I went through, and so they don't have to take the same or make the same mistakes that I made. So I'm just excited to be here, to work with them, to nurture them, to be here for them, to help make them better young men and women in the society.
Thank you again, parents, for visiting our virtual open house. We look forward to having more virtual opportunities for you to interact more with the staff and administrative team. Again, thank you, and we look forward to a great school year.